Hello there, lovely people. What's up? And how you all are doing? So, this is KP Science, and you are welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I am going to recreate my mom's wedding look. Like, my mom's wedding look is pretty simple, and pretty cute as well. So, I am just going to recreate it. And if you want to know how I recreated the whole look, so please keep on watching and do not forget to, like my video, share the channel with your friends and subscribe it as well. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I will be providing the the Instagram ID on the screen as well as the description box. So without wasting any time, let's get rolling. Starting off with doing my skincare first, for which I am taking Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner and I would be spraying it all over my face. I will just let it dry. So once the toner has completely dried up, I am going to apply my facial serum, for which I am using this NY based Confident Vitamin C and Vitamin D3 serum. After the serum, I am going to use my moisturizer and I am taking this Biotique Bio Coconut Cream. As you can see, I would be taking up this much quantity. This particular cream provides a lot of glow on your face. As you can see that I have just done my skincare and my skin is glowing. For the primer, I am taking this Pearl Illuminator Makeup Base in the shade Golden Pink. So this particular primer will provide me a really within kind of glowy skin, and it do not have chunky particles at all, which will look like really good. As you can see, my skin is now all glowy, all shiny and all prepped up. So we would be moving to foundation. Like my mom has not done a lot of makeup in her picture. She has told me as well that she just applied foundation, a little bit of blush, compact and a lipstick, that's it. So we would be doing the same. So for the foundation I am taking Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation and my shade in it is 128, that is warm. Not be applying a lot of product on my face. I would just take a little bit quantity and then blend it all over my face. As you guys can see, my foundation is pretty well blended. So moving on to the cheek area, I want a really natural tint of blush on my cheek. So for that I'm using this Nykaa liquid lipstick and it is in the shade 15. So I would be applying it on the apple of my cheek so that the blush look really natural. So I'm just going to apply it on my cheek, a little bit on my nose and my chin as well. So as you can see, this is giving so natural look, it's not looking like I have applied a lot of thing on my face. So moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to use a stick highlighter, that is a cream highlighter. So this is the highlighter I'm going to use and I would be applying it on the tip of my nose like this, on the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, chin and my cheekbones. I would be blending my highlighter. Can you see it's giving such a natural glow? It's not looking powdery at all. Look at that. So now comes setting the face. So I am going to use my Lakme Sen Expert, compact powder. So I'm not going to set my whole face. Firstly, I'm going to just set my under eyes, my you know, this eyelid area, around my nose, my, around my lips, basically all those areas which are tend to crease in summer season. If we are done with, setting the under eyes, like around the nose area and everywhere, so next I have to do my eyebrows. Like my mom has these full eyebrows and I'm having these cuts in my eyebrows. So I will just quickly fill them off. Okay, so I have filled in my brows like really slightly, and now I would be combing it out with the help of a spoolie brush, so that all the product which I have applied gets evenly distributed and there are no clumps left in my eyebrows. Though they will not look like perfect eyebrows, but still I have tried filling them in. So once we are done with the brows, I don't think so she has done anything else in her complete makeup. The last thing which I can see in her makeup is the lipstick. That's it. So for the lipstick, I'm going to use this MAC Glam Batista Valley lipstick, and my shade number in it is 22. So I will be applying it firstly all over my lips, and on the top of it I'm going to apply this I Amsterdam liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Early Glory 8, so that I achieve that perfect maroon color. So I'm done with the lipstick, and I have not, like overline my lips, because my mom's lips are quite small and mine are bigger than her. So I have not lined them. I have just applied the lipstick and that's it. Now I'll just quickly go and change my complete outfit. Right, here is my mom and I'll ask her कि मेरा मेकअप लुक कैसा लग रहा है, तुम मैं बताओ कि कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं।
बहुत सोने लग गई तुम।
आपकी जैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? मेरे को तो नहीं लग रहा आपकी जैसी लग रही हो।
मेरे जैसी लगती सही है।
तो गाइस, मेरी तो शक्ल मेरी मम्मी से बिल्कुल नहीं मिलती। मेरे को सारे कहते हैं कि मैं पूरी अपने पापा पे गई हूँ। तो आप मेरे को बताना कि जो मेरी शक्ल है वो कैसी लग रही है। अच्छा मम्मी, मेरे को ना यूट्यूब पे और इंस्टाग्राम पे बड़े सारे लोग पूछते हैं कि ये जो आईब्रो कट है ये मैं मरवाती हूँ। मेरे को लोग कहते हैं कि तुम मरवाती है ये कट, तो आप जरा इनको बता दो मैं ये मरवाती हूँ या कैसे लगी है ये मेरे को।
तो बिल्कुल नेचुरल है ये शुरू तो ये इस तरह का गया।
ये मेरे को चोट लगी हुई है बेसिकली,
लगी हुई है इस करके कोई।
और ये कोई अभी के भी नहीं है। ये जो 2 वाले ये कितने टाइम पहले लगे थे?
ये तो बहुत छोटी सी थी जब
कितने साल की होंगी?
और 1.5-2 साल की।
मतलब देख लो 15-16 साल पुराना मार्क है ये। स्टिचेस के निशान है तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे हेयर आते नहीं है, तो दैट इज वाइसली यहाँ पे है। तो शक्ल तो अभी भी नहीं मिल रही। गाइस, तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो जो है अच्छी लगी हो तो मेरी वीडियो को अच्छा सा एक लाइक और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर और
वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करना।
तो मेरी वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब भी कर देना। एंड मैं आपसे मिलूंगी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन बाय बाय।